Hello everyone. In the previous program, we had created multitasking LEDs. We started off with two, we ended with three, and we created this blink LED empty. I've pasted now the same code into this program. Uh, I'm going to make a little bit of change here. The blink period, in fact, the now time, which is actually storing the Millis function, Millis actually returns unsigned long. So I'll change this to unsigned long, although this will work for short period of time but not for long. Maybe for 32 seconds it is going to work properly. So I'll change all the variables which are actually storing the time into unsigned long. Now it is perfect. Now I'm going to show you the code for the servo empty class. The servo empty class, which is multitasking for servo. This will basically contain what? It will contain a servo object. Yes, this servo multitasking class will contain a servo object. It contains which pin it is connected to. What is the servo increment? That is how much to move. What is the angle it is going to move? What is the prep time and servo period? This is what we did in the previous class also. So the same thing applies here. Uh, Next, I have created a public constructor which is to which I pass pin number, servo increment, and prev and servo period. I think prev also we don't require. Let's start with a 0. So this is a 0. We'll start it from the beginning. Okay. The run function basically I to the my servo, thus the object that we have created here. I attach the pin. So pin, whatever is the value of pin that is passed, we attach it to here. And unsigned long current time is equal to this. I have named it as now time there. It is current time here, so it doesn't matter. So if current time minus servo prep is equal to is greater than equal to this. Now what happens when it actually reaches the time when it has supposed to do something? First thing, servo pref is equal to current time. That is this is what we did in the previous one also. We did pref time is equal to now time. The variables are different, but doesn't matter. Servo pos plus equal to servo increment. So servo position, whatever position it is on, it and adds whatever it has to be added. So whatever we pass servo increment here will be increased. And if the servo position is greater than 180 or less than 0, it changes the direction. But you can see what is happening here. Servo increment is minus servo increment. So if it is 160, if it was plus 10, it becomes minus 10. So if I add minus 10 to something, it actually decreases it by 10. So it starts changing its position. And after we decide on the position, we write to the servo. It's not servo PTR, it is servo. It is my servo. Let's see if the program is running. Okay, there are some problems. Uh, Servo does not time 27. Okay, so I need to include hash include servo dot hash. Okay, let's see. Okay, in this constructor has no servo prev. Servo prev. I think I removed that. long servo. Let's see. Servo pause. Servo pause. So we have I need servo pause also. And we need to sorry, servo pause is equal to 0. We need to initialize it here. So position starts from here. There is no main function, there is no setup function, doesn't matter. So everything is fine here. And let me just create one servo of mine and start working with it. Let's create an object of servo empty type. So empty servo in the void setup function. I don't think we need anything. Empty servo, what do we need to pass? We need to pass it a pin number. Say a pin number 3. What do we need else? Do we need to pass? Servo increment. I want to an increment of say 30 degrees. And what else do I need? Servo increment and servo period. Servo period is say 300 milliseconds. So after every 300 milliseconds, it will go 30 degrees and it is connected to pin number 3. I'm going to fix everything now. Void loop function. In the loop function, all I need to do is sorry, all I need to do is this object dot run function, the run function that I've created here. So I've created a run function here also. So pin number 3. So I need a servo. Let me connect it to power. This is ground. This is power. This is pin number 3. And let me start the simulation. Yes, after every 30 degrees. Perfect. It goes one side, then it goes in the reverse direction. Perfecto. Now let us connect an LED. I first decide on one LED. So let me have connect an LED. This goes to ground. This goes to number 12. And how do I work on this code now? I need to create an object of blink LED empty. I need to create this. Maybe we have something called red LED, which is connected to pin number 12 and which is multitasking at the rate of 500 milliseconds. Only this is the period. This is the only two things required. So, so all I needed was this, and in the run function, I will need that object dot run function. That's it. Now let me start the. Okay, perfect. The LED is blinking at the rate of half a second, and my servo is working independently. Perfect. So whatever I need, probably I'll need another servo. So what I'll do is I'll simply take a servo, direction or something. And then I'll connect it. This is ground. This is to ground. This is to power. Power will be here only. And this is to pin number 9, say. Okay. In the code, what do I need? All I need to do is create another maybe servo 2, which is connected to pin number 9, I believe. I'll say 9. And here I'll change this to 45 and change this to maybe 500 milliseconds. And this is my object. I'll say dot run function. So all I needed was create an object, create objects, and create and execute the run function on it. That's all. The classes are already created. No need of making copies or whatever. Simply run it. Let's see now. Yes. So this servo is working faster, and this servo is working slower. The LED is also blinking. All three are actually performing tasks at their own rate. Okay, I think that's all for now. You saw that using object-oriented programming, it is very, very simple and very, very easy to work on multiple things which are doing the same kind of a task, which is doing the same kind of a task. Alright, that's all for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Please put in your comments if you have any problems or you want to suggest something or you wish to understand something more. Thank you for watching.